Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics and Senior College of Arts and Science for Movement Tirunelveli. Now we are going to see numerical single integration using trapezoidal and Simpson's one-way rule. First one is numerical integration. The process of evaluating a definite integral from the set of tabulated values of the integrate f of x is called the numerical integration. Two types. First one is trapezoidal rule and second one is Simpson's one-way rule. The first one is trapezoidal rule that I equal to a to b f of x dx. Then f of x take the values y0, y1 and so on yn and the points x0, x1 and so on xn. Then I equal to h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus and so on yn minus 1. Then I equal to h by 2 sum of the first and last values and plus 2 into sum of the remaining values. Simpson's one-way rule. Let I equal to a to b f of x dx. When f of x take the values y0, y1 and so on yn and the points x0, x1 and so on xn. The Simpson's one-way rule is defined by I equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus and so on yn minus 1 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus and so on yn minus 2. I equal to h by 3 sum of the first and last values plus 4 into sum of the remaining odd values plus 2 into sum of the remaining even values. First one, integral 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x square into x with h equal to 1 by 6 by using trapezoidal and Simpson's one-way rule. Solution. Then I equal to 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Here f of x equal to this values 1 by 1 plus x square and h equal to 1 by 6. Then x equal to 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and last values 1. F of x equal to 1, 0.973 in 0.9, 0.8, 0.6923, 0.5902 and 0.5. The first one is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and last value is y6. By applying trapezoidal rule formula I equal to h by 2 y0 plus y6 plus 2 into remaining values. By applying the formula trapezoidal rule I equal to h by 2 y0 plus y6 plus 2 into remaining values y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5 equal to h oda value 1 by 12 plus y0 value 1 plus y6 value 0.5 plus 2 into y1 value 0.973 plus y2 value 0.9 plus y3 value 0.8 plus y4 value 0.6923 plus y5 value 0.5902 equal to 1 by 12. First two values are 1 by 5 plus 2 into another this values 3.955 equal to 0.7843. By Simpson's one-way rule, h equal to h by 3 y0 plus y6 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 odd values and even values. Equal to 1 by h value 1 by 18, y0 value 1 plus y6 value 0.5 plus 4 into y1 value 0.973 plus y3 value 0.8 plus y5 value 0.5902 plus 2 into y2 value 0.9 plus y4 value 0.6923 equal to 1 by 18. First two values are 1.5 plus 4 into remaining values 2.3632 plus 2 into remaining values 1.5923. The value is 0.7854. Thank you.